This is Mission Mangalyaan rocket puzzle. This is actually 3D puzzle. I have a book. It have manual and some work and some puzzles to do like this. See, the first is flag bearers. Mark the countries and space agents that have reached Mars orbit. Like that, we have to solve the puzzles which have been launched to Mars orbit. And in the last, I will do this book. Now, let's see the manual. And this is the manual of rocket. And this is the manual of satellite, how to build. Now, I am building the rocket. First, you have to take the lockers. You have to fit it to this into the dots of here. There will be some dots and it will be like this. You have to just press it like this. If you press, it's finished. You have to put the lockers first for this, because it will be too late to do. Now let's see the manual. Have to put it like this. And afterwards, this is an 3D cylinder. You have to put it like this. Then you can build the rocket very easily now. And locker here one. And you have to put it like this. Is it like that? Oh, okay. Like this. I'm not just saying. How is it? It's finished. Now I can put, where is the piece? And you have to put it. I just saw what I am putting the correct piece or what. And you have to put it here. Four sides you have to put. Falling. Because I am doing it on the bed. And the rocket is finished. And now the satellite. First you have to put the lockers again. My father and mother brought from Sapna Book House in Mysore, and it is nice to do. But don't put water on it because it's cardboard sheet. If you put water, it will be wet. You can do again, and it will be teared easily. If you put lockers, teared. I'm putting the lockers because it will be too easy to again. I'll put one and put like this. No, first put the lockers actually. See, and here one. Don't want. Because my sister came to disturb me. I have put everything. Oh, okay. Just put the lockers inside because I gave 2 extra. Just that it. Put it inside the box. That's all. And see the rover. And I'm bringing the rocket here. And actually this is PSLV rocket. I'll keep it again and I will show how to launch this at the last. Oh, what there's something big in that. What happened to me? Then next, I put like this. See, it's a model satellite, and I have to put the down. Correct, okay. What is this I did? I can't understand myself. I'm doing wrong by myself. And I have to put again. I have to put it like this. And I'm putting full time. And I'm putting here. And it should be at the same time. Oh my god. Did I put at the same time? No. What is this I am doing? Here. I put correctly the concept. Sure, I will get it. What is happening to me? What again? This I have to rebuild. This means rebuilding. Again and again I am not putting it correctly at the concentration because I am talking. Because I am explaining. I'll get the detectors at the front. See, this is the rocket and the satellite. I will launch it. The satellite is inside the PSLV rocket. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Launch to Mangalyaan. It launched on Mangalyaan, not here. I'll do it again because it's blasted, not succeed. I'm doing it again. Now I have to launch it on really on Mars. Just see. Here is the Mars. This is the Mars. I'm launching on it. See, where can I keep? If I put it in the middle, I'll just put it here. Now, ready, set, go. It is succeed, and it's going back. Gone to the sea.